Hey Optimus, today we are going to take a look at JavaScript variables. Variables are going to be used everywhere in a programming language. There are three types of variable in JavaScript: var, let, and const. Let and const was introduced in the ES6 update. If you are wondering what is this ES6 everyone are talking about, we are going to talk about it in an upcoming video. Now, here I am going to give you a brief explanation of what var, let, and const are, but you'll get familiarized with them as we keep using them. Now let's take a look at var and let. To understand their difference, we must understand scope. If you are from another programming language, you probably know what I'm talking about, but I'm still going to explain it from scratch and in the simplest way possible. Let's declare a variable var a is equals to 10. And then now let's create a block using parentheses. Now let's declare a using let keyword a is equals to 20. Now let's console.log it. I am inside block. Now let's console log it out. I am outside block. As you can see, the value of a outside the block is still unaffected. Let me explain this in a graphical representation. Let's draw a big block. Let's call it the main block. Main block. Var is here. Var a. Let's create another small block. Let a is here. So var is available on both main block and the small block, whereas let is available only inside the small block. Hope this gives you a clarity of what var and let does. One more thing to add, the variables created using var is attached to the window object. As of now, consider window to be a collection of all the things inside the main block. There are two kinds of people in JavaScript community. One, who support the usage of var and say that let should be used only when there is absolute need. And there is the other type of people who say there should be no use of var, only let should be used. Which side you choose is up to you. Now let's take a look at const variable. Const has the same block level scope as let. The difference between let and const is you can change the value of the variable assigned using let, but you can't change the value of the variable in the const. Let me demonstrate it. Let's declare a const variable const pi is equals to 3.15, and let's try reassigning it to say 2. That is the difference between let and const. We get a type error. There are certain gotchas even in const which we'll be discussing in the series when we are talking about stuff like arrays and objects. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Good luck.